Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the internet basics and also internet service providers and protocols also. Today, we are discuss about the topics that is web services, net surfing, and emailing. What emailing is, and advantage of email and limitation of email. What web services are? Actually, web is the word that shows the internet or a network, and services which provides to the web are the web services. In simple word, we can say that the web services are the software based services that takes place when two electronic devices are connected via network and communicate over www and http. The www is a world wide web which is connect to our websites, and http is a protocol, that is hypertext transfer protocol. It is mainly used to transfer the data from one site to another whenever we are surfing in a net or internet. Clear? So there are so many web services we are using day by day. Some are using for designing, and some are for like surfing our network, online marketing, and also file transfer. Okay, so mainly we are using the web services for information retrieve, for sending the data, for shopping, for searching, and also social networking. Today we discuss about the net surfing. What the net surfing is? Net surfing is a word is using for when we are surfing in the internet by using some websites or online. That means exploring the web is known as net surfing. This is the simple word. Whenever we are explore, that means from one side to another side, moving from one website to another site is known as the net surfing. Take an example. Whenever I want to search one of the keyword in a Google, okay, there are so many websites are appear. Clear? But I am not getting the particular one. Okay, so I'm searching one by one websites till I'm getting the proper one. Clear? That is known as the net surfing. It's mainly the net surfing is mainly used by the user whenever we are just passing our time, we are searching for a particular word. Okay, so when net surfing is divided into two types or two parts, that is downloading and uploading. What downloading is? It makes a copy of a requested web page or a file or a document on your local computer is called downloading. That means we are taking the file from internet to our computer, okay, or remote computer. That is simply say host computer to local computer. That is known as downloading. You people are very known about that word. Okay, so downloading is the word is used from the net surfing. Clear? So most of the time it depend upon the network package and data transferring everything. Okay, sometime we are getting a slow internet connection, that's why the download process is very slow. Okay, but sometime when our getting the data is sufficiently or full internet service, that means the download process is very fast. Clear? Okay, so next topic is email. Email is the electronic mail. It is mostly or widely used tool to send messages, electronically on a network. So for an email there is a necessary of email ID. That email ID contains username and also password. Okay, the username is a combination of two words, that is username or domain name and also host name, that is separated by a word or keyword, or we can say it's a symbol, that is @ So username is a combination of a domain name and host name and also by the separator. Okay, so for that we can send so many mails at a time. What are the advantages of email? It is a low cost, it is a speed sending messages, waste can be reduced by the email, easy to use, record the maintenance, maintain the record, that means we can store so many mails in the inbox. Clear? And also patience means whenever we are sending a mail, it sends automatically, it send quickly to the user, understand? So that there is so many advantage of a email from a traditional mail also, traditional messaging system only. Clear? So till now we discussed about the advantages of email, right? Now we are discuss about what the disadvantage or what the limitation of email. For the limitation, we can say the first point is there is a necessary of internet connection. Without internet we can't send the email. Okay, so that means there is a necessary of both the senders and receivers email ID and also the internet connection. That means hardware is required for an email. Okay, it is a hasty media, that means it is a, sometimes we can say network problem is there, maybe network problem, we are not getting the emails or we can't send the emails. Okay, and hard to convey emotions, that means we can't write a long passage or long letter or long memo like a memo like things to the sender or receiver. Clear? So this is the limitation of email.